Let's have fun in English. Your channel. To make your English from zero to hero.
Before watching this video, if you need the subtitle in your language, click this setting. Then choose. And click the language you prefer. 1. To ask. 2. Ask. 2. Ask. Definition 1. To say something to gain information. Example. Did you ask the teacher when your homework assignment is due? Did you ask the teacher when your homework assignment is due? Definition 2. To request something from someone. Example. Mom asked me to clean my room. Mom asked me to clean my room. Two. To buy. To buy. To buy. Definition. To obtain in exchange for payment. Example. We need to buy more uniforms for the new employees. We need to buy more uniforms for the new employees. 3. To camp. To camp. To camp. Definition. To stay in a tent or camper. Note. You can say to camp, or to go camping. Examples. Let's camp in the mountains this weekend. Let's camp in the mountains this weekend. Do you want to go camping in the state park? Do you want to go camping in the state park? 4. To clean up. To clean up. To clean up. Definition. To make something free of dirt or mess. Examples. Let's clean the living room before we have guests over. Let's clean the living room before we have guests over. Did you clean up the mess on the kitchen counter? Did you clean up the mess on the kitchen counter? 5. To close. To close. To close. Definition. To move as to cover an opening. Example. Close the refrigerator door so we don't waste electricity. Close the refrigerator door so we don't waste electricity. 6. To come. To come. To come. Definition. To move towards, to happen. Example. Spread love everywhere you go. Let no one ever come to you without leaving happier. Spread love everywhere you go. Let no one ever come to you without leaving happier. 7. To cook. To cook. To cook. Definition. To prepare food or a meal. Example. Dad loves to cook healthy meals for the family. Dad loves to cook healthy meals for the family. 8. To contact. To contact. To contact. Definition. To communicate with someone. Examples. John, have you contacted the manager yet? Have you contacted the manager yet? Tom, yes, I called her cell phone this morning. Yes, I called her cell phone this morning. 9. To do. To do. To do. Definition 1. To perform an action. Examples. Tom, what do you like to do on weekends? What do you like to do on weekends? John, I usually watch TV and play with my dogs. I usually watch TV and play with my dogs. Definition 2. To act in a certain way. Example. My favorite football team is doing poorly. My favorite football team is doing poorly. 10. To drink. To drink. To drink. Definition. To put liquid in your mouth and swallow it. Example. Don't forget to drink water before you go to bed. Don't forget to drink water before you go to bed. 11. To explain. To explain. To explain. Definition. To describe an idea to someone so that they understand it. Examples. Tom, can you explain how to create this document to me? Can you explain how to create this document to me? John, sure. First, select a template in Microsoft Word. Sure. First, select a template in Microsoft Word. 12. To explore. To explore. To explore. Definition. To travel through a new place. Example. Do you want to explore the neighborhood before we go home? Do you want to explore the neighborhood before we go home? 13. To finish. To finish. To finish. Definition. To complete. Examples. Tom, when do you think you can finish writing that speech? When do you think you can finish writing that speech? John, I should finish it by the end of the day on Tuesday. I should finish it by the end of the day on Tuesday. 14. To fly. To fly. To fly. Definition. To move through the air. Note. You'll often hear fly when referring to animals like birds. But when applied to travel, fly means to travel by airplane. Example. I am flying from Atlanta to New York at 4 o'clock. I am flying from Atlanta to New York at 4 o'clock. 15. To get. To get. To get. Definition 1. To receive. Tom, has the letter I sent arrived yet? Has the letter I sent arrived yet? John, yes, I got it. Yes, I got it. Definition 2. To obtain, or fetch. Example. Can you get my jacket from the closet for me? Can you get my jacket from the closet for me? Definition 3. To understand. Examples. Tom, are you still studying for the English test? Are you still studying for the English test? John, yes. I just don't get how to conjugate verbs. Yes. I just don't get how to conjugate verbs. To give. To give. To give. Definition. To transfer something, to provide, to state information. Example. Give me a glass of water, please. Give me a glass of water, please. 17. To go. To go. To go. Definition 1. To move from one place to another. Example. Are you going to the concert next weekend? Are you going to the concert next weekend? Definition 2. To leave. Example. It's already 11 o'clock. I have to go. It's already 11 o'clock. I have to go. 18. To have. To have. To have. Definition 1. To own or hold. Example. I have 2 dogs. I have 2 dogs. Definition 2. To experience. Example. We had a good time at the restaurant last night. We had a good time at the restaurant last night. 19. To hear. To hear. To hear. Definition 1. To take in a sound with your ears. Examples. Tom, did you hear that sound? Did you hear that sound? John, yeah, but don't worry, I think it's just the wind. Yeah, but don't worry, I think it's just the wind. Definition 2. To be aware of. Example. Did you hear about Taylor Swift's new cat? Did you hear about Taylor Swift's new cat? 20. To know. To know. To know. Definition 1. To be aware of. Example. Did you know that Taylor Swift got a new cat? Did you know that Taylor Swift got a new cat? Definition 2. To have a relationship with someone. Example. Tom, do you know Sarah? Do you know Sarah? John, yes, we used to work together. Yes, we used to work together. 21. To learn. To learn. To learn. Definition. To gain knowledge of, or skill in something. Example. I am learning a lot in my English class. I am learning a lot in my English class. 22. To like. To like. To like. Definition: to enjoy. Example: Tom, do you like the TV show Supernatural? Do you like the TV show Supernatural? John: yes, but I like Breaking Bad more. Yes, but I like Breaking Bad more. 23. To listen. To listen. To listen. Definition: to pay attention to sound. Example: did you listen to the teacher's instructions? Did you listen to the teacher's instructions? 24. To look. To look. To look. Definition: to search for something with your eyes. Example: people were looking at him. People were looking at him. 25. To love. To love. To love. Definition 1. To like a lot. Example: Tom, do you like the movie Ocean's 11? Do you like the movie Ocean's 11? John: yes, I love that movie. Yes, I love that movie. Definition 2. To have deep romantic or emotional feelings for. Example: I know your mom is strict, but remember that she loves you. I know your mom is strict, but remember that she loves you. I love Steve. I want to marry him. I love Steve. I want to marry him. That's all for now. This tutorial will be continued in different session. By the way, I'll be so glad for your support by subscribe, like, and leave comment. Thanks.